Hello, good morning again. Thank you for watching. This is Robin, the sewing doctor here in New York City. Here we have a MO654DE differential overlock sewing machine from Juki, an excellent machine. It came in, the machine is completely jammed up. The machine is jammed up, it's stuck, you can't turn nothing at all. I tried. If you try to force it, you're gonna break it. So I'm glad that the customer brought it in. I'm gonna open it up. I'm pretty sure most of the time what happens is that the machine is completely dry inside. So what you want to do, you want to take the 4 screws on the bottom from the machine, turn it over, put oil on it, let it sit in there a few minutes. You know, if you see that it's not getting loose, put more oil on it, let it sit down, let it wait, and then try it slowly until you get it free. This is what I'm going to do to this machine now. I'm going to open it up, clean it, put some oil on it, and I'm 100% sure that after that, the machine will be running up and running. You definitely want to put oil all over the place when the machine is like this, that you try, you see, I try very, very hard and nothing moves. Everything is stuck. So what you want to do, first of all, you want to put oil all over the place here and then see if it gets loose. If it doesn't, then what you want to do, you want to turn over the machine, take these 4 screws right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take the cover out and put oil inside the machine here. That's gonna take care of it. That's nothing else that could get this machine jammed up. That's the only reason why the machine is gonna get jammed up. Unfortunately, you can't. This machine is not open all the way, so you can't put oil, and sometimes it gets right inside. So just do as I said. Open it up on the bottom, put oil on it, let it sit a little while, and then you're gonna be okay. This is a Juki MO654DE. I'm gonna let it sit and come back in 10 minutes and see what happens. Okay, now here's the machine. I show you, look at this. See, look at that. Everything is moving free, nice and free. This machine, you gotta make sure that it turns to you, the wheel. Turns to you when you turn in the hand wheel. Look at that, nice and free. Let's put some thread on there, let's try it and see how the stitches look. Okay, here's the machine now. I just finished it up. Look at this. Look at a nice stitch it has. Perfect. Beautiful stitch. Machine's completely free. It's completely loose. It's running nice, clean. I cleaned everything inside. As you can see now, the machine is 100% clean. No dust, no nothing. You know, and you can't really blame the customer for what happens. As you can see, this machine is a seal machine, so you can't really put oil inside. And that's something that I think it should be corrected, because, you know, all this machine has so many moving parts inside that it needs the oil to be able to get free. And sometimes you get tight, you know. I've seen this many, many times with this Juki MO class that it gets a little tight, but, you know, it's a great machine. It's the best machine in the market. Thank you for watching the Sewing Doctor again. The machine is perfectly fine now, and another happy customers. Thank you for watching. Robin from City Sewing in New York, www.citysewing.com. Bye-bye.